Return that wire. Which wire? Now my skipping rope. You must bring 20,000 naira or you are going to prison for stealing wire. Officer, please. I'm a celebrity. I have TikTok. I'm a content creator. Okay, fine. I'll pay 10,000.
Madam, it's an offence to hawk goods here without a trading licence. Fine is £1,000.
Ha, 1,000. What? I don't know it's an offence. Must they arrest for everything here? Now my son will be annoyed again. I don't think he will forgive me this time around.
Mama, where did you get Haboniki from? Where will I get £1,000 now, eh?
I brought them from Nigeria. I'm sorry, son.
A few moments later.
If you not call my name now, I go scatter this place. And they boy, not try me today. No, please now. Open this door. I'll give you my opwe.
Go give the opwe to your papa.
Those videos you just watched right now were not created with Veo 3. They were created with another AI realistic website that can make work very, very stress-free for you. But here is the twist. This AI website is limited to some country, and that is the more reason why you really need to pay attention to the end of this video, which I'm going to tell you how you can access it if it's not available in your country. Without wasting much time, welcome here. If you are new to my channel, to my return subscribers, you're welcome back into this channel. Please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to hit on that subscribe button to subscribe, and let's just get straight into the video.
Come here and type Dreamina AI. Sorry guys, don't mind my voice. So you click here, you see dreamina.capcut.com. Do you understand? You now see something like your email, blah blah blah, link your email. So let's click to do that. While we are waiting for that to happen, I just pray my network is quick. The code, this is going to be linked to your CapCut account. So this is what you're going to be. So if the email is already linked to your CapCut account, you won't be able to get access to it. Okay, so we have done that. So let's go back. You are going to see something like this. So click on this drop arrow. You can actually paste a text and change it to email or to AI video or to AI avatar. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to do AI video. You can see that it's already on Veo 3. So when you click on this, make sure you put it on this Veo 3.0. You put it there. So you come here, you can either use 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So come here to choose the aspect ratio. Since I'm making a YouTube video, I'll leave it in the 16.9. So you come here and go ahead and paste your prompt. So I'll just go ahead and click here to generate. Oh my god, let me not do this. So let's wait for this video to be generated. Okay guys, as you all can see, our video is done. So I'll just long press to download it. Okay, so you can choose to click here to add soundtrack. Let's go back to adding another prompt. Okay, so I'm just going to change this one to 5 seconds. So I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. So after that, I'm just going to click here to generate my video.
After you might have generated this video, here is where the magic lies. It's not just about you generating those videos, it's about you making those videos to talk, because this website does not have that tool, or it does not give you access to make the video to talk. When you pasted a prompt, it just gives you a picture or an animated video. So we are going to use another website to lip sync this video and make you speak. Do you understand? All for free. But before that, I hope you like this video.
So for you to make this video, you need to come here and type lip sync AI. Do you understand? So that is where the video is going to talk, right? So click on the second one there. So when you click on the second one, it's just going to load up like this. So you can see something like lip sync for free. You click on that. So what we are just going to do right here is just to sign up with our Google account, because this is the first time. So when it open, you are going to see something like this new project. So what you just need to do is just to click on this new project. Okay, browse photos and videos. I'll bring up this. So let's bring up this. So when you scroll up, you are going to see tap to upload audio file. So if you have any audio file that you want to add. So you just tap here. Let's say you have any pre-recorded stuff like that you want to add the sound, so you just click here to do that. But I don't have any audio file, so you just come to this place voice, so you click on that. So when you click on voice, you are going to click here to add text. Like this is a text to speech something. You say, hi guys, please like and subscribe, depending on what you want it to say, right? So you just click on this generate. So when you click here, you are going to be choosing different voices, right? So this one is Rachel, so you're going to be choosing different voices. Let's play and see.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe.
Oh my god, I don't like those. Let's click on this first one.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe.
Oh my god. So you just be selecting the voices like you feel like you want here.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe.
So let's click on this clone voice. So this clone voice, now you need to like upload a voice, like maybe you can record your own voice, or like all those stuff like that, right? So let's say I don't know if it's too far, but let's play and see.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe.
Rachel. So let's click on this first voice.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe.
Okay, I think here is actually to stabilize the voice. Okay, can play around with it and all those stuff like that. So what you don't need to do is just to click on apply. So when you click on apply, you see that it has been added. So let's play voice. So let's click here, hold tight while they are adding the voice to it. Okay guys, as you all can see, we have successfully added a voice to this video. Let's just play it and see.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe.
Oh my god, can you see that was the only text I added, and it said exactly like I did. So what you don't need to do, just to go ahead and download the video, and that is that for that, guys. It doesn't cost you anything, as simple as ABC.
Another thing is that if you don't want to use this AI realistic voices, right, I'm going to show you how you can add your own voice to it in your editing app, be it CapCut, InShot, VN. And if you are making a kind of realistic video, maybe you are doing a vlog video and you want to add a sound to it, maybe someone that is sweeping, someone that is cutting vegetables, someone that is doing all of those stuff like that, maybe just generate a romantic scene video. I'm going to show you how you can generate a sound for this video in order to align with the kind of videos you put in out there, should in case you don't want to talk, or should in case you don't want to use the AI voice, how you can do all of the stuff for free.
So I created another scene for this video, which is a romantic scene. So what I'm just going to do right now is just to bring that romantic scene into the picture, which is this, right? So what I need to do, I'll come here and I'm just going to click on audio, right? So when I click on that, if actually I want to record my own voice, I'll just click here. That's on CapCut. You can use InShot. Oh my god, these couples are so nice. They're so beautiful. I'll pause it and I'll use that. If I don't want to use my own voice, I'll come over here. Let me redo this. I'll come over here and click on, okay, this extract, you can only use a pro version. Like if you are using a CapCut Pro, you can click here. Maybe you have any sound from your videos, you want to extract the sound from. Okay, can you hear it? There's another sound, but can see that is the pro version. So if you're using a CapCut free version, you can have access to this. Okay, you can use other editing app. And another thing I want to show you is that, since this is a romantic scene, let's say we want to add a sound to it, right? So what you don't need to come is just to come here to sound FX. So when you come here, I'm just going to type here romantic, right? So you can type in, okay, let me on my data, guys. I'm just going to come here and type romantic. So when you come here and type romantic, they have so many romantic stuff like this. Wow, can you see? So you can click, maybe you can choose to add this romantic scene. Can you see? It just make it look warm and cool. Do you understand? And let's assume this video was a cutting video, like where someone is cutting vegetables. You just come to sound FX. You now say like cutting vegetables, right? So that it will give you that chopping sound, right? Can you see? So if this was to be a cutting video, while you are putting this sound, you'll be checking if this sound aligns with the cutting of the hand. Okay, if it was to be a video that someone is sweeping, you have just come here and type of sweeping the floor. I don't know if you guys are all getting what I'm. This is, for example, if you are making a vlog kind of content, right? Can you see? Sweep with a broom. Okay, can see the sound of sweeping. You can just choose any of those sound and use it. So if it's not long, what you just need to do just to be duplicating the sound till it fills the entire screen, entire scene that you want to add it. So that is that for that.
For you to have access to the site, you need to bypass it with using VPN. You can use Thunder VPN, NordVPN. As for me, what I use for my own is Super VPN. That is what I use. Maybe if you have any VPN on your phone, you can try to use it and see if you can have access to it. If not, you try to download those 3 VPNs I just mentioned in this video. So guys, here come the end of this video. I believed you have really learned a lot in this video. Please, if you need more tutorial like this on how you can access Veo 3 for free, if you need a free tutorial on how you can use another method that can give you access to create a Veo 3 video format, please let me know about that in the comment section, and it will be my pleasure. Please do not also forget to share this video to get to as many persons that might need this kind of information right now. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn the bell notification so that you will not be missing out on any important update I'm going to bring. Okay, bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.